hello to my little friends. I gotcha. Today's going to be a quick one because I don't have too much to say.
That's unusual.
That is very unusual. I wasn't even going to do a video, but Karen went and made herself tequila and orange juice and cranberry juice. So I figured, well, if she can do that, I can make a video because I'm going to have a cocktail also. Now, I got a couple of things to say. The other day, the cops were chasing this guy who broke into a pharmacy and he stole Viagra. He was a hardened criminal. Chappy told me that one. And did you hear the one about the wall? You'll never get over it. The whiskey nerd sent me that one. Keep sending me jokes, guys. You send me jokes, I'm going to say them. Okay? Couple of shout outs to give. The bartender with Ann. Ann, keep making those nice videos. You do a hell of a job.
Yay!
Yeah.
She does.
Give a hand to Ann.
Good job,
Give me
Ann.
2 hands to Ann.
Yes.
No, give her 4. Give her 2
Four,
hands.
four. Way to go, Ann.
There you go. And a beer a day with TK. Sometimes I have a beer, 2 beers a day, TK. TK. Don't forget, a beer a day, make it 2 beers a day with TK. Change it. Everybody I just said, Ann, the whiskey nerd, and Chappy, and Chappy's Tiki Bar, right?
Yeah.
That's what it's Chappy's Tiki Bar.
It is.
Yeah, who else did I say? The whiskey nerd, Chappy, a beer a day with TK, and a home bartender with Ann.
Yeah.
Watch those channels. Watch those channels. Write them down. If you don't write them down, I'll have them on my list over there below my video. Check that stuff out. Today I'm going to make a drink. It's called the Manhattan Beach Sunset. You know why? Because I don't have any grenadine and it's not a Malibu Sunset. So it's Manhattan Beach Sunset. Should I change the name?
To protect the innocent?
Yeah, to protect the innocent. Okay, so here we go. I already put in an ounce of rum and I crushed up some fresh pineapples in there with a muddler. Here's my muddle that I just used. I used the muddle in the puddle. So I got an ounce of rum. I'm going to put in another ounce of rum. An ounce of coconut rum. Whoa. An ounce and a half is okay. If you go over a little, it's okay. Okay? Okay. And I got some Appleton's signature blend rum. 1 ounce of rum. That. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. I can't say any more than wow. An ounce of orange juice. Did you shake this, Missy? One ounce of orange juice and 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Man, I hope this is good. If you don't like it, I'll drink it. Look at me, I'll drink anything.
Put the cranberry juice in.
Oh, the cranberry juice?
Who's been drinking in this house?
I know. I forgot my own cranberry juice. Put the cranberry juice. The cranberry juice was in. The cranberry juice was in. It was in that glass right there.
Thought you were going to double straight. I got your... Oh, I thought you wanted that.
I'm going to double a doubler. It's a doubler, Mrs. G. It's a doubler. You double strain it because the pineapple juice. Whoa, I can talk a lot right now because this pineapple juice is slowing the works down. Oh, so good. Oh, 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 oh boy, it's so good. Did I forget the cranberry juice, Karen?
No, you almost did.
No, I did. And the garnish is already on there. The garnish was put on there earlier so I can get this toothpick up my nose. Oh, I love these kind of drinks. This is a good tiki drink. The Manhattan Beach cocktail. It is so good. It's good for you. It's good for me. It's good for Karen. It's good for everybody. So don't forget, folks, get your vaccine. Get vaccinated. Don't get indoctrinated or inoculated, because some people say, I got inoculated, and they shake your head. Did you get vaccinated? Yeah, I got inoculated. Well, no, that's not right. That's not right. Wear a mask. Call your mama. Not today, Karen. Not today, Karen. Cocktail Tony, over and out.